Introduction to RBT Certification, a gateway for individuals passionate about making a positive impact. Understanding RBT. Definition and importance of RBT certification in the field of applied behavior analysis, ABA. Overview of the skills and competencies covered in the RBT certification. RBT Certification Process. Eligibility requirements and prerequisites for aspiring RBT candidates. Step-by-step guide on applying for and obtaining RBT certification. Insights into the RBT exam structure, format, and effective preparation strategies. Exam preparation. Recommended study resources and materials for mastering RBT exam content. Strategies for creating a personalized study plan to succeed in the RBT certification journey. Real-world applications. Highlighting the practical applications of RBT skills in working with individuals with behavioral challenges. Post-certification impact. Exploring the career opportunities and personal fulfillment derived from RBT certification. Success stories and testimonials from professionals who have achieved RBT certification. Recap of key points discussed in the video. Encouragement for viewers to pursue RBT certification as a means of making a positive impact.